Welcome to Veil YouTuber channel. Today we're diving into the world of natural hair care with a DIY hair mask
that need only 3 ingredients to make your hair from this to this. All you need to is honey, avocado, banana, and coconut oil. And these ingredients will make your hair smooth and shiny, inshallah. Method and preparation for this mask. All you need is take 1 ripe banana. Peel the banana. I'm using banana. If you have avocado, you can use avocado. Now, make a smooth paste of your banana or avocado with the help of fork. Add 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix them all together and make a smooth paste. Apply your mask on your scalp and your ends and cover your hair with the plastic sheet or towel. Leave the mask for about 2 hours or more then, and if it's possible to leave for overnight, so then leave it for overnight. And then wash it off your hair with your regular shampoo and conditioner. Don't forget to try this DIY hair mask and let me know your results in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty hacks and tips. Stay tuned for my next upload.